morning, guys. Okay, so it is Monday and I really wanted to film a productive day in my life. I have so much stuff going on today. If you haven't seen the last day in my life, I'll link that one down below for you guys. It's coffee time. I need coffee. I can barely talk. I just need some caffeine in my body. I really don't feel like cooking today, so I think I'm just gonna have like yogurt and like fruit parfait, granola-y kind of thing. That sounds pretty good. The first thing that I do on a productive busy day is make a list of everything that I need to get done, and I do it on my phone in my reminders. And you can just go into your reminders and I will add a list. I really need to get a car wash today. I need to study for my math exam. I also need to read 2 chapters for business law. I need to do laundry. I need to shoot some photos for Instagram. And I think that's it so far, but if I think of anything else I need to do today, I'll just add it to my list. But it's so cool. I just love that I can like check it off. So that really helps me stay organized and on task. Otherwise, I just forget things all the time, and then it'll be like 11 p.m. and I'm laying in bed and I'm like, I didn't do half the things I wanted to do today. I'm gonna eat this breakfast and then honestly I think I'm gonna get dressed and go to the car wash. Okay, so now I'm about to shoot a picture for Instagram and for the thumbnail of this video, but I want to show you guys kind of how I shoot and set up. So I'm filming this part on my phone, and yeah, it's a quick way to get a cute Insta pic by yourself. Walking into my room, I just have like my 2 lights set up, and I'll have these linked down below. They're less than $100. They're amazing. I love them. And then I have my camera. This is the Canon G7X Mark II. And as you can see, you can like connect it to your phone through the Wi-Fi. So if you can just do that, connect it to your phone. And then I will have like an app on my phone that is connected to the camera that I can use as a remote to shoot my photos. So this is kind of the background that I had for my photo. It's just my bed, had my little book and laptop and all that set up, but I thought it turned out super cute. I'll put it on the screen so you guys can see it. But yeah, that's kind of how I'll shoot like an Instagram photo if I'm by myself. Okay, now that that is done and I took some really cute photos, I am going to get dressed, and then I really need to go get a car wash so I can cross that off my to-do list for today. All right, time to get dressed, change out of these PJs, even though they're so freaking comfy. I wish I could wear them all day, but I mean, I'm probably just gonna wear something comfortable. Like, let's be real, I'm always wearing leggings. Okay, I'm gonna get dressed. This is what I'm wearing today. I just have this yellow top on from H&M, and then my jacket is like this pleather, like really cute jacket from the Impeccable Pig, which is where I work. And then I have this sweater on. This is from mooncats.com. And then I just have some Prana leggings, which are some of my all-time favorite leggings. And then for shoes, I just have my black and white Adidas. We're keeping it super simple today, but now that I'm dressed, I also just organized my laundry so that I can do some when I get back. I'm gonna go quickly get my car washed, and there was something else I need to do. Oh yeah, get gas, because I don't have any gas and I need to be able to drive to work this week. Okay, so I'm sitting in the car wash line, but I'm at this really good car wash that I always go to, but I just got like their basic wash and then triple foam and wax because my car's white and the wax helps it stay clean, which, I mean, I think it does. I don't know, I'm not a car expert, don't quote me on that. So I'm just getting gas, but I'm pretty much done with all of my errands that I actually had to leave the house for today. So that's done. Now my car looks beautiful inside and out. I really need to do laundry. So I'm gonna go home and get started on that and check another thing off my list for today. Now it's like 5 o'clock and I look really rough right now. I think I'm gonna change real quick and go to the gym before I lose all motivation for that. And then after the gym, I need to do homework. I've literally got so much done on my list today. I took some photos, I did my laundry, I cleaned my room. Now it's gym time and then it's homework time. Okay, so this is what I'm wearing to the gym. I just have the leggings from Prana that I had on. This top, it's actually a 9-inch nails top, which is kind of funny. And then I have on my white Adidas sneakers. I love these ones. They're the cloud foam ones and they're so comfy.
One hour later.
I'm literally dead. I did cardio and leg day and oh my gosh. Also, I didn't film in the gym because I don't know if I'm allowed to film in the gym. I'm gonna ask next time I go in when it's not busy because it was like 5 p.m. so it was so busy. I ran a mile and then I did a bunch of the machines and then I did some abs and it was rough, but I'm gonna head home because I really need to take a shower and get going on my homework. Okay, I just got home. I'm in my room. My diffuser's going this way. It's like blue and pink and all different colors in here. I am literally exhausted. I need to take a shower, so I'm gonna go ahead and first throw my sheets and stuff in the washing machine because they really need to be washed, and then I'm gonna hop in the shower. Okay guys, so I just took a shower and had dinner and switched my laundry and did all that stuff. I didn't really film my dinner because I kind of forgot. If you haven't seen the What I Eat in a Day video that I did recently, I'll link it on the screen and down below. But you should go check it out if you're really interested in what I eat. So today's Cyber Monday and I really need to get my boyfriend a Christmas present and it's on sale what I want to get him. So I'm thinking about ordering it right now. His birthday is like right before Christmas, so I'm doing a whole nother thing for his birthday, but I really think that he'll like this. So I'm just kind of doing a little bit of online shopping right now. I swear I will do anything to procrastinate doing homework because I hate doing homework. I really do. So I just bought him one of his Christmas presents and I'm so excited. But yeah, now homework time. Actually though, I'm gonna stop procrastinating and actually do this.
Later.
Okay guys, so I realized I never ended the vlog last night because I was literally so tired. I just went right to bed. I've been doing homework for almost 4 hours and I got so much done, thank goodness. Yesterday was such a productive day. I hope I inspired you and, you know, motivated you to have a productive day. What are your top 3 things that you do when you're trying to get stuff done? Whether that's making lists or setting reminders. I'm really big on lists and reminders. If you're new here, you should definitely hit that subscribe button and join the fam. I make new videos every Tuesday and Thursday. If you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up and I will see you in my next video. Bye.